Wonderful good night. This is your boy Grandpa from the Grandpa Falls Media. As some get it, as some give you. Me not take out, I mean not put in nothing.
Jamaican. Grandpa Patwa News. We be the first.
My people, in a St. Thomas, moreover, in a Jamaica, a pay, rain, a fall, a wash for the place. Now my people, in a St. Thomas, Trinity-ville, Marat Bay, a lot of school office send one back the pity them because a pay flood. Now, we are talking about down at Yellas. My people, Yellas Primary School. You know, look around about this stuff. Going to drive going to school, my people, it flood out. When I say flood out, I mean it flood right out.
Them to go to work and can't get to go. Yeah. The shop, yeah. Yeah, so, you know, the water stay bad and they keep them to go out, so. We don't know.
I come to you.
People. So it seems like the man they make the road, then they make them proper draining for the water running up, so the road turn boat. You understand?
Morning, baby.
So we will need proper road service. Now my people, now Grandpa, I will talk about this because it affect everybody. It affect me, you, she, and the old lady. You understand? Now, I'm talking about from Danvers Pen Bridge, go right down to Judy's Gate. Now my people, the grass them on the sidewalk is not a good thing, my people. You understand me? It's not a good thing, my people. You understand me? The grass them on the sidewalk is not a good thing, my people. No, Grandpa have to talk about it because Grandpa is very upset about
You know your boy Grandpa is here. Me I talk to the man them that work on the road. Them not take them talk. And them a do the wrong thing. And we a tell them the right thing. But them not listen. So them take her for idiot. Them take her for fool. Hey. Every day me I talk to the workman them on the road. We a tell them we do the right and them a do the wrong. We a talk to the workman them on the road, and we a tell them we do the right, them a do the wrong. We live in this community from me a pitney, so we know where the water run, from where the water walk. We a tell them to clean up the trench, them take we free food, so we no have no education, so then call we babu. Me a
about it, and Grandpa have to talk about it. You understand me? Now my people, what you are going? The grass them come two side pan the road. So you know that the car them have to drive in the middle of the road. Now, what Grandpa is saying, because Grandpa is very pissed off, you know, remember I'm Trinity Mayor, you understand me? So I have to put these things to the public to recognize what's going on in a Trinity community. And, you know, yes. Now what I'm saying to known people, the rain falls and the grass them bow down two sides in the road. So you know say the taxi man them now and the vehicle them have to drive in the middle of the road. And you know when a car come around the corner, you know say it's a ratty crash that. Now we are trying to prevent that from accident happen, because from what they too much accident happen and Grandpa don't like it. So I'm calling out to the bigger authorities and the bigger guys them who are responsible for cut the grass them on the roadside. The people them are saying that they only cut grass per Christmas time and election time. Now, what I have to say, people, don't just come out of them wall on Christmas time and election time, then come out every day. So, Mr. Workman or whosoever responds to cut the grass them, Grandpa asking him please give some people the work that they can cut the sidewalk. Because if I did have enough money, I would have put some man to work on it. Now, so for the bigger authorities them, Grandpa asking him please to cut the grass them on the sidewalk from Danvers Pen go down to Judy's Gate. A whole heap of accident go on right there. So, and Grandpa can predict the future, so Grandpa asking him please to get the grass them cut. Now from where there, demonstration are going on Mark Bay, how can something go on Mark Bay? Because they are saying that the past councillor died in them. You understand me? And a by-election was supposed to go on and how no it now go on. So a peer demonstration and how can something go on in the Mark.
Minority Leader in the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation, Hubert Williams, is intensifying his call for a by-election in the Morant Bay Division. It follows the death of former councillor for the division, Rowan Bryan, on May 1 this year. Mr. Williams, who was speaking at the monthly meeting of the Municipal Corporation yesterday, lashed out against Morant Bay Mayor Louis Chin for failing to mention the by-election in his mayor's announcements. He indicated that it was the responsibility of the mayor to announce the date for the by-election in the division.
The only person that has the autonomy to call a by-election for the Morant Bay division is the mayor of Morant Bay. Period. That's it, stop. Anything else, we are circumvent the law. No. It is very sad that after 1865, we had Morant Bay Rebellion, where we were fighting for representation. And it's said that approximately a century and a half later, we still have to seek for another Morant Bay Rebellion.
Minority Leader in the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation, Hubert Williams.
Be a town because they need for the mayor to call up the by-election. So, Grandpa don't know by-election or what kind of election, but me hear them say they're supposed to call for the by-election. Because if them say, if the councillor dead, then them supposed to do a by-election for another councillor to represent the people them. So the people them are say them not have nobody to recommend them in a Marant Bay town, you understand me? And they need a councillor to represent them. You understand me? Yes. Some people from where they have whole accident to go on, whole car crash, bike crash, bicycle crash, car crash, boat crash, and a whole something crash. Now Grandpa Falls is asking the bike man and please take no time and ride on the road. Because what I understand, a whole lot of damage are gone and life have been taken so quickly and swiftly and fast, look like nobody no value in life again. So do remember, I have to big up some radio station we are going good in the world. I have to big up CCR radio station that Crichton. Yeah, over England there. Big up Barry Dan. Yeah man, take me in on Sunday. Barry Dan, war to the world. Big up yourself. CCR radio station. What them say there in Crichton. Big up yourself. So what you are going to know? You may have a radio station we are in the place right now in Jamaica. You understand me? It named Call Out Gospel Internet Radio Station. Me people, a radio station it a go on. When me say it a go on. You see on Thursday there, whoa, a day they hot. But during the day them hot. So me tell them say, Call Out Gospel Radio Station. A radio station there on the place right now. You understand me? So me and some people, internet radio station, go on the phone, download the app, and listen to the team because watch ya. A gospel take over the world right now, you understand me? Watch ya, man. So me say, yo, Call Out Gospel Radio Station, and the baddest radio station I'm going right now. And then me tell them say, yo, CCR radio station not Crichton. Yo, me take him Barry Dan on Sunday to me to the brother bad. Yes, my bad. So, what you are going? Grandpa! Yes, my grandson, what? You know something like this? Yes, man. Yeah, so, what you are going? So, Grandpa say peace and love and unity, you understand me? So, the people in the world just do the right thing. Stop do the wrong thing because the wrong thing now put on nowhere. But that was the news from the Grandpa Falls media. As some get it, as some go no. Me not take out and me not put in nothing. May God continue to bless you because no Grandpa can't bless you. A peace and love and unity, me say. Yeah. So Grandpa, tell them bye-bye. Bye-bye, yeah. We soon okay. Wow. Grandpa said peace and love and unity.